The Arduino-based anti-collision warning system is a safety system that helps drivers avoid collisions by alerting them to potential hazards. The system uses ultrasonic sensors to detect objects in front of the vehicle and then provides a visual and/or audible warning to the driver. This kind of system is the fastest-growing safety feature in automotive industries. Such a system enables vehicles to identify the chances of collision and give visual and audio warning to driver, so that the driver can take necessary action to avoid collision. The following components are required to build this system: Arduino Uno microcontroller, ultrasonic sensor, piezo buzzer, LED, jumper wires, resistor 10K ohm. This system works by continuously measuring the distance to objects in front of the vehicle using an ultrasonic sensor. The sensor emits a sound wave and then measures the time it takes for the wave to reflect off an object and return to the sensor. The distance to the object can then be calculated using the speed of sound. If the distance to an object is less than a certain threshold, then the system will trigger an alarm. The alarm can be a visual warning, such as an LED, or an audible warning, such as a buzzer. This is a circuit diagram of this project, which is created on Tinkercad. You can perform simulation of this system on Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a free web app for 3D design, electronics, and coding. Here you can see simulation of this system. Ultrasonic sensor is used to calculate distance of object or vehicle which is in front of vehicle. Here, if the distance is greater than 300 units, which is safe distance and no warning generated for driver. If distance is between 300 and 150 units, then only visual signal generated, that is green LED, turn on, so the driver need to pay attention. If distance is less than 150 units, then both audio and visual signal generated, that is red LED and buzzer, turn on, so driver can take necessary action and maintain safe distance. This is Arduino controller program which is used for this project.